Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Solid food items, not liquids or gels, can be transported in either your carry-on or checked bags. Liquid or gel food items larger than 3.4 ounces are not allowed in carry-on bags and should be placed in your checked bags if possible.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Checked baggage screening. The majority of checked baggage is screened without the need for a physical bag search. Inspection notices. TSA may inspect your checked baggage during the screening process. If your property is physically inspected, TSA will place a notice of baggage inspection inside your bag.
Take our lead.
Individuals who want to pack their large bottle of shampoo or full-size toothpaste should pack those items in their checked bags. Sometimes individuals want to travel with food items. That's just fine. TSA. If it has more than 3.4 liquid ounces, then it should be packed in a tightly sealed container in a checked bag.
Take our lead.
Liquid, gel and aerosol toiletries like spray deodorant and bottles of shampoo are fine in checked bags. These items are also allowed in carry-ons, but only if they conform to the SOS 311 rule. All containers must be 3.4 ounces or smaller, and all the containers must fit into a single 1-quart bag.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Put the container into a zipper-top plastic bag and seal the bag closed. Next, place that bag into a larger zipper-top bag and seal it closed, pressing out all the air as you do so. Wrap the whole thing in bubble wrap if the container is breakable. Finally, wrap that bundle in a towel or in clothing.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.